Hello, it's me again. For this video, we will be opening Astral Radiance sleeved booster packs. I've heard the sleeved booster have better pull rates. So I bought 16 of them for my vacation trip and opened them during my pockets of free time. Are you ready for the results? Let's go. Wow. First pack magic. We've got the Radiant Greninja. The best Radiant Pokemon for this set in my opinion. Another hit, Machamp V. We will take it. Oops. I messed up the card trick. Yet another hit, Mr. Rhyme V. Such a random card. Wow. Totally didn't expect another hit, Trainer Gallery Milo. So far, Patrick for us. 3 hits in 3 packs. No hit from this pack. I'm not complaining. Yes. Back to hits again. We have Ice Rider KORX Max Trainer Gallery card. One of the better Trainer Gallery card. Oh my god. Totally didn't expect to hit one of my chase card. Hisuian Sneasler V alternate art. Absolutely gorgeous artwork. Look at the texture and shine from the card. With this card, we already get back the value that we spent for all these 16 booster packs. Nice, our second Radiant card, Heatran. In case you are wondering about the dimmer light, this is because I open the packs at different time and day throughout my 5 days trip. Wow. Our second double hit pack. We have the Trainer Gallery Phalanx card as well as the Beedrill V full art. These sleeve boosters are amazing. I always got confused by the V-Star marker card. Actually it is just replacing the energy card. The card trick should still be the same. Back-to-back no hits. Couldn't complain because so far we already exceeded our expectations. No hits again. Not the hat-trick that we want. Wow. We literally pulled another one of the big hit. Ira the full art trainer card. Amazing. The best trainer card from this set. We are so lucky today. Yet another hit. Hisuian Samoric V card. One of the better V card in this set. We will definitely take it. Finally got the card trick right with the V-Star marker card. Our final pack. Any last pack magic? Let's do a quick recap of the pulls. We have 2 Radiant cards and 4 Trainer Gallery. 4 V card. Finally, our Hisuian V alternate art. The sleeved boosters are amazing and definitely better than a booster box. Please help to like and subscribe.